hide of what animal? Time out.
Celebrity Week at Sling, all new Monday on Fox.
The news on Fox 5, brought to you by Stop and Shop. Feed the moment.
We made it through an eventful weekend. Audrey Fuentes here with our forecast. Hey, Audrey.
There's a lot going on around New York City these days. All right, today was the marathon. Of course, it was a beautiful day to be out there, whether you're a runner or a spectator. The high temperature made it to 59 degrees, which is just on average for this time of year. Check out that sunset time, though, a lot earlier than we've seen over the last several months with the clock changing last night, and now the sunset is at 4:51. Right now, we're at 55 in the park. That's actually pretty good at this late hour. 47 in Islip, 37, though, out in East Hampton. It's cold up to the north. We have 38 in Poughkeepsie, and it's 41 over towards Sussex, New Jersey. The winds are nice and light, but what's saving us this evening is that we have this blanket of clouds overhead. It's acting like an atmospheric blanket, keeping any heating of the day kind of insulated, and that's why we have readings in the mid-50s in Central Park right now, which is actually pretty good for the late runners. We have clouds moving in all across the region tonight. The good news is we'll stay nice and dry, but tomorrow you will wake up with some cloud cover and maybe a few peaks of sun, probably north of the city. They're kind of coming in on the northern fringe of this system that's bringing wet weather across the mid-Atlantic. This is going to kind of creep northward here, allowing for more cloud cover by tomorrow morning. We could see a quick shot of some rain showers across the Jersey Shore or maybe even the South Shore of Long Island, but that's about it. Over here we have a cold front that's going to sweep into the region tomorrow afternoon, and that's the one that will give us a greater chance of precipitation late in the day. Here it plays out in our futurecast. Again, 7 a.m. we could get some sun here off to the north, maybe across Long Island, but for the most part, we're going to see clouds kind of increasing in our skies tomorrow. We'll have some brisk showers coming in very briefly across the Jersey Shore and Long Island, but then in the afternoon we'll see more numerous showers kind of firing up in the Hudson Valley with a cold front that's going to push through. Everything moves offshore, let's say around 8 or 9 o'clock tomorrow night, then we'll go mostly clear, and that's how we'll go into our Tuesday. So Election Day looks good. We'll have plenty of sunshine, no weather woes to get you over to the polls, and we'll stay nice and dry, it looks like, through the day on Wednesday. We'll have more clouds coming in. There's another rainmaker headed in our direction. However, it'll hold off the rainfall until late on Wednesday night, so that's some good news. Now, with the rain we're expecting tomorrow, it's going to be really light amounts. We're looking at less than a quarter of an inch, in fact, less than a tenth of an inch in many spots across the region, but of course, every little bit helps. We're running almost 8 inches below normal for this time of year, for the year rather, in Central Park as far as rainfall is concerned. 48 will be tonight's low in the park. Tomorrow going to about 59 degrees, and then we at 60 degrees on Tuesday. An evening shower likely on Wednesday. We'll have some clouds early on Thursday before the sun comes back in, and then another chance of rain on Friday night. That will linger into the first half of Saturday, so we'll start off a little wet, but it'll be drier by the afternoon as temperatures remain seasonable for this time of year. Arthur, over to you.
And it gets dark early. All right, thanks so much, Audrey. Well, is it too early to talk about Christmas? Well, when we come back, we're going to be talking about why this year's Rockefeller Christmas tree is in our look